Hi everyone, today I will show you how to install the strips, high power LED strips to 20 voltage LED strips. Okay, we need several accessories. Let me introduce it to you. This one is tail cover, which to protect you from the electric shock. And this one is a clips. This one are clips. So we use this to fix the strips to where you want to use. Okay. And the last one is the power supply unit. This one is the power supply unit we called power plug. And the very last, of course, it is as LED strips. It is a part of LED strips. Okay, let me show you how to install them. First, use these two pins in power plug, two pins to connect to the two wires in LED strips, two wires. When you have a part of strips, you can easily find out where it is. Okay, two wires, two wires. So just keep the pins insert into two wires. Make them connect well. Okay, well, it's done. Finally, so after you connect the strips, don't forget to cover the tail to protect you from the electric shock. Cover it, and now it's done. Very easy. So give some power. It doesn't work. The reason is the strips have two sides. You can see two sides. When you connect one side and it doesn't work, try to use the other side. Okay, cut off the power and reconnect. Use this side. Okay. Also cover the tail. It's done. So supply the power. It works. Okay. So when you connect the strips, it doesn't work, and try to use the other side of the strips. So you don't need to worry about the risk. No risk. It's very safe to connect the strips. And the very last, when you install the strips to wall or to somewhere you want to use, how to fix them? Use these clips to fix them. One, two. Try to avoid the LEDs. 3. So just like this. So usually 1 meter LED strips need 3 of the clips. So that when you buy LED strips, don't forget to get some clips, tail covers. Of course, most important, the power plug. Okay, that's all about how to connect the strips. That's all. Thank you.